So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Keshi Hair Straightener, and they were nice enough to send me this hair straightener, and I want to show you guys how I incorporate it in my daily routine.
Includes one hair straightener brush, one heat resistant glove, one travel bag, and one user manual. It has 3D ceramic bristles, LCD temperature screen, power button, temperature control buttons, and a 6.7 feet swivel cord. To turn it on, press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds until it lights up. The default temperature is 355 Fahrenheit. To turn it off, press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds until the liquid crystals light off. Double hit the power button to unlock the buttons. A great feature that it has is an auto lock function. Buttons will be auto locked in 5 seconds. When locked, please double hit the power button to unlock. If no motion is detected, over 30 minutes, device shuts off automatically for safety purpose. The hair straightening brush takes 30 seconds to heat up, 12 temperature levels, 30 minutes auto off, and negative ion spray.
Alright guys, so I start off by washing my hair or blow drying it, but with this Cali heat we don't have to blow dry our hair. That's the cool thing about it, that it will dry because it's so hot. Anyways, so once I'm done washing my hair or blow drying it, I will go ahead and comb my hair. So I just washed it. If you guys missed my morning skin routine, go ahead and check that out. I'll make sure to add a link above here so you guys can check how I do my morning skin routine, how I take care of my skin. So I brush my hair. As soon as it's already dry, I don't have to blow dry it. And then I want to go ahead and part my hair. So I grab 3 sections and I part that. With some clips. And then I'll also do this part over here. I'll clip it. And so now this part over here, I have to work with. And this part that on this side, I'll go ahead and just clip it here as well, so it doesn't get in the way. So now that hair straightener is heated up and I have it at 355. I know it's a little bit high, but I feel like it works a lot faster for me if I heat it up. So I'll grab a strand of hair and I'll just go through it, just like if you're brushing your hair, and you add pressure so it can straighten. I know my hair is already straightened. The cool thing is that the straightener does come with a little glove, so I will apply the glove or put it on because I don't want to burn my hand. Okay, so I grab my hair and then I add pressure when I'm going down so it's straightened. So see now how straight this end was. The ends usually tend to curl up just because my hair is short and I haven't trimmed it because I am going to be letting my hair go out. So now that's done, right? So I'm gonna go to this section now and do the same thing. And I'm going to add pressure so I can straighten. And it works really well because it does straighten my hair, and it's something that I would definitely love to try on someone that has curly hair. So there you go. Now I take my other section, I split it up again like this, then again, I do the same thing and I repeat it until I'm done. So let's fast forward to straightening my entire hair. So now that my hair is nice and straight, now I can go ahead and style it. So I usually just like leaving it like this, but sometimes since you know it's pretty hot here right now during the summer, I like to put it up in either a bun. So what I like to do is I like to grab my comb and create some volume here. And I like to leave my buns pretty messy. So I'll get a little clip and add volume here in the front, and then just grab this hair and just twist it. And make like a nice messy bun like this. I'll hide the clip that I added to make that volume. Add some bobby pins as well. To secure those strands that are tiny and that the band doesn't grasp. So there's like a messy bun, this is how I'll go out. Or another style that I like to do is I'll comb my hair and I'll part it in the center, and then I'll take some bobby pins and I'll grab some bobby pins and I'll grab part of my hair like this. And I'll just put a bobby pin here, and I'll grab another section like this, and a little bit of volume on both sides. And that's one look that I like to wear. It's super simple, you know, professional. You guys can, you know, wear this to work. Another one that I like to do is I like to tease this section of my hair. So it gives me volume. And I'll wear it like this as well for work. I actually like to also part it this way. And just comb it through like this. And this is another like nice way to wear my hair for work. So these are some of my quick hairstyles for work. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.